Yeah, so we just reach a Flatbridge and I tell us it's crazy. We're there with Zena. Oh my God, and you don't know Jason from Jason and Gina, you understand? Gina now found out Ivan still, cause you don't know anything going here. Yeah. So, yo, your first impression when you see the bridge, like, what do you think?
It's insane because it's only one lane for a 2-lane road. And anyhow you try to bogart another car, you're going to fall in the river 100%. 100%.
100%. Zena!
Yes.
My word. We say, how today been going so far?
Actually, today has been lively. It's like doing a live stream, people be saying, yo, what you say active? Like it is. It's active.
We're busy today.
Busy. We are actually for Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday.
Say Friday busy, but today, Wednesday, busy.
You don't feel like people just feel like, yo, the tool too expensive. So right now we kind of back off on the tool.
Yes. I'm going to tell you something. What time I say we are doing the 2-hour live stream, anybody, we are live there for 2 hours, come like for the traffic, more heavier. Me I say like everybody says, Zena, the fan work, you know, we are driving a Flatbridge.
I pass and hear, Zena feel good sometimes people pass and say, Zena!
God,
Zena!
Let me ask you a question.
Crazy healing.
You ever been out here in the nighttime?
Oh yes.
Is it 10 times worse than this, or?
Oh yeah.
Because I can only imagine there's no lights out here, so.
No, I don't like being out here because the only places that we have lights is just one at the entrance of the bridge and then that's the exit then of the bridge. That's the only part that we have lights. That's the only part. If you're going through the whole guard and you have a breakdown, dog, you're just stopper. Dog, you're just stopper because you're in a total darkness.
So you don't want to be driving late at night and get a flat tire, you know?
No, this is not safe at all.
Oh, it's crazy. So yeah, massive, you don't know where they are and trust me, vehicle does a pass you, but let me tell you this. Oh my word. You have to know where you are though and approaching the bridge. Know the rules of the road before you jump over Flatbridge side. Yeah, a lot of motorists now actually just deviate from the toll because God know. Yeah, even though the Flatbridge road, Bagwalk road kind of more dangerous, but the toll expensive. So if you just want shot go down on the north coast and thing and you have the piece of food that you have to go drive the normal road. And right now, I tell you, the normal road are the busiest in a long while me ever see. Where people just continuously a forward and a drive past. Sometimes it's on long line of traffic. It is just crazy massive. No joke. Zena!
Yes.
You're there. So right here now, this is Zena, which is, you don't know, the Flatbridge lifesaver.
Yes.
You understand, with our whole family and things. Son, even the dog. What the dog name?
Black Iron.
The dog named Black Iron. So you must know. So if you see Black Iron, nobody look how him looking now. Black Iron and Iron. So him can look anywhere, nothing can do him. You see me I say? Yeah, so how you get the puppy there?
I'm with you, but we better go get in trouble.
Are you there, man?
Yeah.
Black Iron, so who give me name?
No, we better.
Black Iron? I wonder him come up with that, Jason.
No,
What do you think him come up with that?
That's strength right there.
What can I tell us is a worker.
He work.
He work, he know if attack. He's a worker. Don't watch your name, don't watch your look. He's a working dog.
You hear that? Black Iron. Alright, let's see. Let's see how this truck take it right across the corner.
Yeah, look at that. So you navigate the bridge.
Wow, that's crazy. So how you feel now seeing the truck them go across like what other cars are truck? Where you think go by the more?
Let me tell you. I think trucks.
Truck.
Yeah, because if the trucks the pay that you use the toll, then it's a bad.
Yeah, whole heap of money.
So I think trucks are the most users of this area. Not only that, I do get anxiety, not because I'm a lifesaver, I do get anxiety when I see the trailer that we're crossing. Seriously, no joke. I do, because even earlier I was like right there and I'm like seeing the trailer coming down with a speed and I'm like, oh my God. And I was like, yo, even though I'm a lifesaver, you know, so we get anxiety when I see them trailer go cross down.
Crazy.
Yeah, I do get it. I do. I'm being honest.
Jason, would you drive a truck or a car out?
Never. Maybe a car. I might drive a car. You might get me, but during the day only, not at night. Never.
You're not driving in the night.
Not at night.
Oh my
That is
God.
it. So,
And I want to say, Zena, it was nice meeting you
Oh
too.
yes,
Yeah,
man,
definitely.
definitely.
We're gonna stay connected.
Oh yes,
Definitely.
definitely, 100%.
yeah. So you don't know. Connect.
Your brother.
Zena, big up and respect every time.
Big up.
I love, man. See it there? We're outside. So Zena, go and subscribe to our channel. It is Zena Vlogs, right?
Vlog TV.
Vlog TV. No joke. On Instagram and TikTok to give them a TikTok.
Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube for Zena Vlog TV.
Yeah, very famous on the guards, you know, world for people know her and thing, which is super cool. Yeah, Jason, we're on to the journey.
Let's go.
Zena, big up and respect, no joke, no
again.
doubt, the outside.
Worst case scenario, somebody goes over. What do you do?
I jump in.
No, you serious?
How many times has that ever happened?
How many times? Oh man, let me think.
Countless of time.
So you're a lifeguard? Like,
Well, volunteer.
wow, really?
Yeah,
So more than 5 times.
more than 5 times.
What was the last time something happened?
Last time we saved somebody was Rati, 2002. It actually went viral because I've been saving people for years, and that one went viral because the guy actually was trying to unalive himself.
Oh my
So
God.
he had the windows wind up, drove off, coming from that direction. So I was minding my business and I'm like, what was sir? But when I look, I see the car float and go down the road, so the river. So I'm like, no man. So not knowing that the car was actually wind up, I jumped in, going with a life jacket, thinking that, oh, I would have to just pull him out of the car, put on the life jacket and bring this guy out. Swimming around the car, nothing.
Because you don't want
The
to get
window
out.
them up. So I said, what? Said tell now my sister now, because I have a sister that came and assisted me with it. Then she come now and say, my mother said the car window wind up. So she went to a thing where they call the hatchet.
Yeah.
You know that thing like a little small axe. And she come with it and we start chop the back of them because the windows wind up with the car set like this. Right? So when
Let them catch it.
and I'm there and I'm like, oh God, this guy's supposed to be drowning. He must, you know, he might not like by this time because a long time out here before she coming up. I'm looking at the life jacket washing away going down the stream. I hear when she said, Rudy, that's my other name. And when I turn on, I see the guy, and I'm like, oh my God, so we start jamming out of the car now. And he's laughing out and laughing out, and then we look. But to save my life, I was like, me literally start ball. Because I can't believe that the man is alive. So I land him in the water.
Wow.
So can I ask you a question?
Sure. How long have you been doing this? Actually, in 2016, I went over that time, around after 7. So I hear the whole thing. So when I reach on the scene, I hear the people that kind of come out of the car and they're crying out, help, help, help. Then tell them, I don't know, diving, and something I say, oh, what do you do? And then they come, help, 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 help. And there was nobody here. There were actually about 3 persons here, but that's only for young kids and them. Now do that. So I was like, holy ghost, because I know I can't swim.
You just decided to do this out of the goodness of your
Yes,
heart.
so I jump out in the night. When we reach here, about 3 of them climb out of the car, and I'm like, I'm here, who can swim? Because by this time, them on top of the car, standing up. So I'm like, all right, we're going to take out you first, which is a lady. Then them kept on saying, Browning, Browning, Browning. I said, sit here. I am Browning. They said, no, Browning in my car. By this time, I start driving out the car and that was the first time, you know, in 2016. Just so one time, may I feel the car, the back window, then the wind. As the car come from that direction, the back window, then wind up. So I come up and say, the window no wind up, oh, no come out. Them say, no, the front window wind up. So I start dive again and I feel, by this time, they're on the passenger, watch out, wife there. By this time, they're on the passenger side, the driver's side. So the steering me and feel, because remember, I know I totally don't this, you know. I mean, I'm pushing my hand around at the back, I just feel like nobody around there try to fight or to come out. This by this time, like the man get a wish that, you know, and knock out in the vehicle, you know. I mean, I feel the foot feel kind of small. So I see a big small foot is a so I come up back, because, you know, you're running out of breath. Come back up, and then, I see a big person, I look up and see a big woman, I cover down, I go down back. I say, no, I can't get her out for me, so swim round back the vehicle now, and by this time, you know what?
So let me ask you something.
They bring her out
How many
and
life
carry her
savers-
and put her up on
How many life vests are here?
We have couple life vests. We have got those
I
donated
see a
to us.
lifesaver right there.
Yes,
so.
that was donated from my friend Kevin Mitchell
So you
from
only
New
have
York.
one lifesaver?
Well, actually, I have 2 on the crack somebody teeth one. I mean, I know I must say that sure. I don't know, but we only have one left.
Kevin Mitchell, that sounds familiar.
Guys, this woman, Zena, I'm just flabbergasted at her story. She's absolutely amazing, okay? She does this on a volunteer basis. You're not even employed to get paid to do
No,
this,
we
right?
don't get paid. We don't get
Somebody pay this lady. No, I'm serious. I'm gonna make a plea. Jamaica, put her on the payroll. This is so selfless. I'm being honest with you, ma'am. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna talk to Fabian and find a way to see if
Get
we
some
could
supplies.
help you get some supplies.
Yes.
Because you're an angel, God sent.
Oh,
You will be
thank you,
blessed.
Thank you, thank you.
And maybe we could donate a lifesaver, some jackets, just something to make your job a little bit easier. But I'm gonna make a plea to Jamaica. Pay this woman, please. God bless you, girl. God bless you. You're doing a wonderful thing. God bless you.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm your girl Zena with a Z, and my YouTube channel is Zena Vlog TV. Check me out on TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and also on Instagram. Remember to subscribe, like, and share, and leave a comment. And let your comment be positive.
That is it.
That is it.
No joke, no.
One Fabian, never two.
Figure that?
Jamaica walk by.
Outside of them
I never
town.
run, I walk.
The whole Jamaica we had. Big up yourself, bro.
Zenil Vlogs on YouTube.
Oh yeah, you do YouTube to Zenil Vlogs
yeah.
on YouTube.
Zenneil Vlogs
That
on
is it.
YouTube.
Now make sure you subscribe to your channel too. You see? Ma, they stream now?
Yeah.
It's a video. Chop them. Madam bad, my bro. No joke. Yeah, so you don't know we actually about to leave right now from Flatbridge, and trust me, it's right now it look like them still in a shock. Jason can't believe that the bridge actually look like that.
Right.
When they say here about Flatbridge, now you have to get the full understanding that the bridge is completely flat.
Flatbridge.
No railing,
One lane.
no protective, nothing.
No protective gear. Nothing.
Insane.
It's crazy.
And one lifesaver.
Gina was like, Jason, you're not going out there. You're not crossing that bridge.
No, it's scary. Like, there's no protection. Somebody come barreling around the corner, you're in the water. But shout out to Zena, because she is an angel.
Yeah,
So it's
definitely.
like jumping in that water to save people out of the goodness of her heart. God bless her. But this was scary to me. I'm scared sitting in the car.
Yeah, so massive thank you so much for watching. You don't
Thank
know
you, guys.
we have Jason and you don't know Gina around there, just showing them Flatbridge. And you don't know that beautiful girl there in the middle, we're not really speaking right now in the purple. Her name is Lexi, Jamaica in 10. You understand? Yeah, make sure you subscribe to Jamaica in 10, Jason and Gina. You understand? Gina wants to leave right now because, trust me, as she said, she's scared just staying inside of the car. There's the bridge. There's the bridge. And this is where we're parking. Oh my word. Let me know if in the comment section how you feel driving across it or over it, or you don't know me talk about already. So when
Would
me
you
say
drive over it? Would you drive over the bridge?
drive over it or drive across
No, I'm
it?
asking the people that's watching right now.
Me always say drive over it, and somebody else correct me say you want to drive over the bridge that are into the bridge.
drive on it then?
Or drive on it. Yeah, like me
Would you
always say
drive on the
over.
bridge?
Yeah.
Or she's not tripping.
See
Leave
it?
a comment down below.
Mad, and subscribe to our channel.
Jason and Gina, you already know.
That is it. Look
We
on
outside.
Look on the key and check out.
Look at that.
Crazy.
Madness.
Oh my word.
Truck loaded up.
Kill now. So yeah, let me tell you, Flatbridge is like the most dangerous road in a Jamaica. No joke, no doubt. The bridge is super deep and the bridge has no railing. So taking Jason and Gina here today to show them and experience the bridge is an experience of a lifetime because they always wanted to see this bridge. You see me I say, even in some of my videos them, we show the bridge, them think it was joke. Like, you know, now that them reach and see how serious it be, them realize that the bridge is no joke. So, oh my God, whole heap of car, whole heap of truck drive over the bridge continuously every day because you don't know, somehow we just can't afford the toll, so we just try to do the whole road. But big up, respect everybody for watching this video. Just a simple video showcasing a little bit of Jason and Gina travels. We're outside and you don't know, keep watching. Mad something.